Hi guys, this is PB Developer again, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the software required for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have told you the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in the previous video, and today I'm going to install the softwares required for it. So Visual Studio Code developed by Microsoft is the best for working with it. It is available for free and it is for Windows 7, 8 and 10. Anybody can work with it. So go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code, and here go for download. So it is free and built on open source and create a dig debugging extensions. We want this. So okay, if you're working for Windows, go for this button. If you're Linux, then go for this too. If means make sure that you have the correct OS setup, and for Mac go for this. So don't go for this the belows or this. These are all no not much usable, and go for the officials, these four buttons. So if you're working for Windows, go for this, click on it, and it will pop up thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. So here start downloading. After download, so I'm just canceling because I have already downloaded this. Go for so here I have downloaded this, so double click on it. So this will open Visual Studio Code installer. So click on I accept the agreement. Next, then leave the default folder as it is for installation. Don't make changes because it may cause errors. Now start menu folder. Okay, it is good to have a start menu folder, so you can just directly open from start menu and work with it. Next, okay, so for me I am just adding a desktop icon. So these two are very important. Open with code, we want this, and register code as an editor, or means Windows firewall may block all the usages of Visual Studio Code. So make means available, means tick mark all the options. Now click on next. Destination folder, all this it will show. Click on install. So it's just installing. It will take just more 5 to 10 seconds to complete. Okay, done. Click on finish, and this is means close this tick mark. We want to open manually, so go for Visual Studio Code. It came on my desktop screen. Okay, so it is opened. Previously I was working with an HTML file. So here when you go for means opening, Visual Studio Code works on extensions. See there I have installed many extensions because I was working with it before also. And okay, for HTML, CSS and JavaScript I am just telling what are the frameworks which you will require. Just type HTML. Okay, so you should install all this: tab 9, IntelliSense, HTML Ciplets and HTML support. This four this means top 4 one you should install. Okay, after that is done, go for CSS. So first one is already installed. Now do not go for second one, go for third, fourth and fifth. So make sure you have the correct publisher's name. So it is at the last, means Badcon, Stignate, XML, etc. Now go for JS. So first one only you should install for web development, and type JavaScript. Okay, from here there is nothing to install. So these are the necessary installation extensions required. After that is done, you can work with it. Okay, file okay, so now here I have got an HTML file. I am just created using file, new file. Here select a language, there will come HTML, go for that. So I am just creating a HTML file. Okay, save this and go to your desired location where it is saved. So I'm just going for my location. So here I got the HTML document. So it will just give a icon of Chrome because it's the Chrome HTML document. Saved as that. So click on it, it will open your Google Chrome. So here you can see that I have created my first HTML document. So you can write this code. I will explain all this later on. So here you can see first HTML document. Hi, okay, this was our first HTML document. So here you can see that we have got our document. So that's it. Okay, so when you have installed Visual Studio Code, if you don't want, you can, there's another software that you can use that is also good. So I'm just opening Google Chrome again, and here type for Sublime Text. Sublime Text is also good and very lightweight. It is much more lightweight than, you can use this if you want to install lightweight versions. So go for sublimetext.com/3, here download. Here it will go for Windows 64, this one, and click on it, and then it will be downloaded, and click on it as the same I have told for Visual Studio Code, and then you can install. So in Sublime Text also you can work with it. Cancel. So from here also I can edit my code. So open file, go for this HTML, this one. So see, I have got this intro.html. it also has the ability to work with it. So this was for this video. If you like this, like and share and subscribe and share with all of your friends and families. Thank you for watching.